Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 12. And I can't believe we're at Vlogmas Day 12. I know I said this every day as it gets further and further along, but I can't believe I've edited and uploaded 12 videos in the month of December. It's literally crazy. So today I thought I would do a clean with me. I'm going to clean my bedroom, and then I'm also going to clean the bathroom, and I'm also going to do some laundry. But yeah, by literally Lydia on YouTube, and I do all sorts of content. Right now I'm doing Vlogmas, so where I film every single day of December up until Christmas Day. So right now I'm halfway through. I'm at day 12. You can tell I'm a little tired this morning, but I just woke up probably 20 minutes ago and I slept through my alarm. Bed is made and things are picked up. Now it is time to do some laundry. Let's do it.
Be
So we are now finished cleaning the bathroom. It's a few hours later, but I wanted to give time for my makeup brushes to dry. So what I do, just a little pro tip if you are looking to, you know, do a good clean to your makeup brushes, which you should be doing, you know, every few weeks. I try to do it like every month or so. I probably could do it more, but anyway, that's a good start for me. So what I do is I wash them with either Cetaphil or shampoo to get them nice and clean, and then I dry them like standing, kind of like this. I mean, a few of them fell over, just so the water doesn't go into like the cork of the brush, so the water like drips onto the towel. And then I just, after they're like mostly dry, and I wash the mason jars that I hold them in too. Then I just put them away like this. Okay, so now they're nice and clean. So I'm just gonna put them away. And then put my tree back. There we go. Okay, so this is the after. So I cleaned out the shower. I scrubbed it all down so it's all nice and white now. And I did a little cleaning of all the shelves and just removed like all the extra products that we had. So now we're just down to the minimum. And then I did a little bit of organizing in here, not too much, but some. And then I cleaned all the surfaces, cleaned all the mirrors, cleaned the sink out. And then obviously I organized our makeup, some of my makeup, my mom's makeup, and then washed all of our brushes, so me and my mom's brushes, cleaned the mirrors, put all the stuff away, cleaned all the surfaces so they're nice and clean now. And then did a little bit of organizing in the drawers, and then I cleaned out the toilet, and yeah, that's kind of it. But yeah, and I switched over the laundry too earlier, so that's done. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of show you an after of what it looks like. It's not that crazy different, but it feels a lot nicer to have a nice and clean bathroom, so that is good. But yeah, I just wanted to end today's video so I can get it up for you. Thank you so much for watching today's video, Vlogmas Day 12. If you liked it, please comment down below, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in Vlogmas Day 13. Bye!